Well, hello, I am Anne-Marie with That's Life Yoga, and today we are taking just 3 easy minutes to move together. Let's start with just shoulder rolls. You've got a chair next to you, a wall, something sturdy to grab on. That's always a nice option. Let's roll forward. Don't forget, grab your chair anytime you want. There's no shame of doing what's good for you. Huh? Use your chair if you need to. Just a little walk side to side here. Huh? Just side to side. Side to side, just warming up the body. And in place. Hands on the hip with an attitude. Maybe leaning a little bit to one side. Soft bend in the knee always. Always a little bend in the joint. We don't want to lock them. Inhale up, exhale, other side. If the breath is too much, just don't hold it and just keep breathing here. Oh, a little organic movement. What's going on up there? A ceiling, a sky? Maybe look up. Maybe look down. Arm still is up and down. Arm up. Maybe look up. Maybe look down. Slowly the arm come back down. One more time. Up and down. Inhale up, exhale down. And you match your movement to your own breath. And you take any change, any adaptation that is for you, for your body today. We're going in a quick little balance here. Maybe the feet, ankle under the hips. And just turn one foot to the side. Maybe keep the full foot on the floor if you want. That's an option. Maybe lift the toes, the heel off the ground. And maybe the toe a little bit. Maybe go on your tiptoe. You'd rather have your foot flat? That's your choice. You're the one who knows your body. And maybe bringing it right under the knee. Just see how it feels. You want to let go? Just slow, slow, slow. Press your standing foot right in the ground. Picture yourself growing roots. Little wobbling is good. It's your body trying to find its balance. Another side. So it's not because you took one option on one side that it has to be the same on the other side. We're not the same. We're not the same. So just open the hip, open the knee out, maybe grabbing your chair, and take the option that works for you. Soft bend in the standing knee. Maybe let go. Oh, and exhale that down. Big inhale with me. Exhale, arms to the chest. Big inhale, arms up. Exhale them to the side. Big inhale up, hands down to the chest. Feel free to continue with me. I'll be waiting for you, and until then, you have a wonderful rest of the day, and namaste.